guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Sydney, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I decluttered and organized our kitchen drawers. And as you can see, the junk drawer was in need of some major decluttering. So to organize our kitchen drawers, I went to our Dollar Tree and purchased some organization items, and everything that I used was under $10. So you definitely don't have to spend a lot if you're trying to organize your drawers as well. I hope you guys get some inspiration out of this video to tackle those drawers if yours are as messy as mine. Also, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you haven't already. So yeah, let's get right into it. I'm just clearing out all of the drawers before I start organizing, and I'm just going to be wiping down with this mixture I made of vinegar, soap, and water. And this is the first time I use it, and I was pleasantly surprised. It cleaned it really well and got all of the gunk out of there. But I'm just going to be using this vinyl liner that I found from the Dollar Tree and line it up. So I used one of the little organizers for the boys' utensils, just some of them because they have a lot. But anyways, I got rid of some of their items, some of the items we weren't using anymore. And now I'm just trying to see how to arrange everything to see what works best for us. So now, moving on to our utensils drawer. This drawer was a complete disaster. As you can see, I kind of let it go and just stopped caring. Actually decluttered a lot of the items, a lot of the utensils I wasn't using anymore. I actually forgot I had some, so yeah. Anyways, I'm just cleaning it out first and placing the liner. So I decided to use two of the longer organizers for this drawer, and I'm grouping similar utensils together. I have the spatulas in one, and I have some miscellaneous ones in the other one, just the ones that actually fit in the organizers. The rest of them were just too big, and I was just trying to arrange them as the best I could. So this drawer was the easiest and less messiest drawer by far. I mainly have our cutting boards in here and aluminum foil and some other random kitchen items. So I just needed to clean it up a bit and organize it a little better. Alright guys, so now for the grueling task of decluttering your junk drawer. Ours was definitely a junk drawer. I had no idea what was in here, and I found some batteries. Those are always nice to have, and we can never seem to find any. So yeah, I'm just going through everything and seeing what's trash and what I need to keep. So I'm going to be using these two wider organizing trays to organize our junk drawer. I separated it by putting recipes in one and some index cards, post-it notes, and cards in the other. And this little acrylic organizer was honestly the best purchase out of everything. I think I just separated all of our batteries by size, and I love that I can see them, that I can physically see all of them, and I just thought that was the best purchase, honestly. And I'm just putting some random items in the little organizer right there. And yeah, I love how everything turned out. This is honestly better than I thought it was going to turn out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I hope you guys had some major inspiration, and I will see you guys in my next video.